Good afternoon, everybody. This is Deborah LeBlanc with RE/MAX Professionals, and I'm at 471 Emerson Avenue in North Kildonan. I wanted to show you this property and thought I'd start from the outside and walk my way through. We'll do kind of like a virtual open house for you, just in case you're not sure if you want to step out and go see it in person yet. This might help you decide. I'll show you the garage first since we're already out here. It's a little bit nippy, but not that bad. 10 foot high, 16 by 32 foot mechanics garage. Check this out. Come inside here and show you just how big this is. This has got in-ground roughed-in heat. It's ready for someone to install. It is completely insulated with R22 and R40 in the ceiling. He does heat this garage with a space heater and works away and warms right up. If you wanted to go to that next step, you could. Otherwise, it's a great workspace. That's his heater right there. All right, circle around. You can see a bit of the backyard here. And they've got a permanent sunroom out here, gazebo, really nice. They take the plastic off and put the screens on in the summer. And we've got a huge shed here. Check that out. Hope you can see it all right. So it goes the whole span of the garage, lots of extra space. Okay, let's go on in the house so you can just see how nice this is. You can see that we've got PVC windows from the outside here. Don't know if you noticed the interlocking brick driveway. It's quite nice. Okay, everybody. So we're starting at the side door, and I'll bring you up the stairs. You can see exactly what this house feels like. Okay. And entering into the kitchen, got newer appliances, white cabinetry, large eat-in kitchen, as you can see. Just come over here, circle around. That's pretty nice. You've got an area where you can sit and work on your computer while you're baking away, working in your lovely, big, spacious kitchen. It's nice. This kitchen's got two windows. You've got one by the sink, and then, of course, one by the dining area, too. And then we step into the spacious living room with a wood-burning fireplace, which is fully working. Give you a good idea. The blinds are custom, and you can pull them either up or down. That would be the front door here. Okay. Let's go down and check out the bedrooms down the hallway. The house is just under 1,300 square feet. So we got 3 bedrooms on the main level. This is the first one. They've got it set up as a music room, but by all means, it's a large bedroom and will be perfect for a kid's bedroom. All right, let's go on down to the next one. Oh, we'll hit the bathroom on the way. Bathroom's been upgraded, nice and clean. More vanity, the toilet lighting. It's nice that they've got those pot lights up there, so you really have a nice bright bathroom. Here's the second bedroom. Okay. And again, big closet. Lots of storage in this house, you'll find. It's very lovely. This is the master. Nice big master bedroom. Let's come on in, take a look around. Another very large closet, extra large closet. And you've got a 2-piece ensuite. There we go. And your little vanity on this side. So everything you could possibly need here. But I really am excited to show you guys about the basement. They just finished it, I guess last month. And they did such a beautiful job. Beautiful vinyl plank flooring. And then a coordinating carpet, just because it just makes it cozier with the carpet. So it goes two sides, this rec room. So you got this side over here. It's just huge. Storage closet in there. So you got one space over here, and then you got this other space on the other side. So you can make dual purpose, do as you please. There's just so many possibilities with this basement. It's crazy. Now the center section here, like a lot of the houses in this era, put the hot water tank and the furnace in the center of the basement, which made it very difficult to design. But as you can see with what they've done, they came up with a fix and a solution and boxed the area in, dividing this basement into two spaces, giving it the two purposes, which I think they did a fantastic job. Just a great job of closing that up. Now you've got a fourth bedroom, and it is massive. Check this out. Of course, you've got your panel there and a big closet in here as well. I mean, if you don't need a fourth bedroom, this could be your gym, could be your office, could be your guest room, whatever you want. I love the color tones that they picked down here. Just the neutral gray. It's so easy to live with. And look at this bathroom they just built. Big shower, corner shower, beautiful vanity, lighting fixtures. Of course, you've got a big window in here. And it's so big, you can literally just walk around in here. Love it, so pretty. Okay, so then this area here, you walk in and this is the laundry room. So basically they've got the washer dryer in here and a freezer, and you've got all this extra space to do as you wish with. So shelves, cabinets, you can do whatever you want, but they've done a really beautiful job on this home. The window upstairs, I don't know if I mentioned, in the living room was just replaced last month. And tri-pane, PVC, everything. The hot water tank, the air conditioning, the furnace, high efficiency, all replaced in 2019, so that's all done. Shingles are about 3 years old, so it's move-in ready. It's ready for you. I'm hoping that I'll get some calls. You want to come and take a look anytime. Again, this is Deborah LeBlanc with RE/MAX Professionals, signing off. Have a great day.